Hey guys, welcome back to Film My Gut. Macro photography is indeed a very interesting term, and I'm sure that most of you are interested with the term macro photography and would love to capture some macro images. But I'm sure you know the fact that macro images are not cheap. I mean, the lenses that are associated with the macro photography are generally expensive and can burn a hole in your pocket easily. So what if I say that today you will learn how to take amazing macro shots with your basic kit lens? Sounds interesting to you? Hang on till the end. See you on the other side of the intro. Well, taking good quality macro images with your kit lens is actually simple, much simpler than what you think. The things that you need to do is switch on your camera here, take your aperture to the highest level possible, which is 3.5 for our basic kit lens. Remember, 3.5 is the highest aperture and 22 is the lowest aperture. So take it in 3.5, remove the lens, turn it, place it in front of the sensor. That's it. Now your lens is a macro lens. You can take amazing macro shots with this right now. Don't believe me? Let's shoot. So that's all the images that I took for now, and I will show you the final results in a while. But always remember before taking macro images on your kit lens to get really close to the subject, because your focus will be really shallow and really thin. So you have to get really close to the subject in order to get the perfect focus. So do like and comment into my video, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. I'll see you again in the next video. Till then, happy shooting.